many of us have thought about getting our teeth straightened, trying a facial to treat dark spots, or maybe getting your vision corrected, but for whatever reason, we just didn't do it? Well, fall is here, and now is a great time to invest in your health and well-being. And to give us some tips, we have here consumer expert Lisa Freeman with some do's and don'ts on how to shop smart and invest in ourselves.
That's right.
Thank you for being with us.
You're welcome.
So what's your number one tip?
Well, my number one tip is don't cheap out. If you're investing in your health and your appearance, you don't want to take your chances. You want to invest in a procedure that really has a track record of success. So, for example, it's National Orthodontic Health Month, and if you're thinking about getting your teeth straightened, the Invisalign teeth straightening procedure really is the gold standard. They've been around for 20 years. They pioneered the idea of moving teeth with plastic, so you can trust you're going to get a good result. Also, do pick the right doctor. You want a doctor with experience. Just as important as picking the right treatment is picking the right doctor. If you have your heart set on getting the Invisalign system, also don't be afraid to get a second opinion. Right. You might be surprised that you might be a good candidate, in fact, if you go to an experienced doctor that knows that the system now can treat even more complex orthodontic cases. If you want to find a good dentist, you can go to Invisalign.com.
Wonderful. And so how do we pick what's right for our lifestyle?
Well, it's very important to pick a treatment or a procedure that fits with our lifestyle. For example, if you pick some kind of facial treatment that requires you to stay out of the sun, but you can't abide by that, you could end up with permanent skin damage.
Yes.
So that's very important. The Invisalign system fits into a lot of people's lifestyles because you can wear them, they're virtually invisible, and you could take them out to eat your favorite food. So for some people, for many people, it fits into their lifestyle.
Okay, and we don't have those braces, you know, the metal looking in our teeth.
Yeah.
I'm sure something that people are wondering, well, how can I afford that?
Yeah, well, actually, a lot of people think they can't afford it, but healthcare plans often cover all or part of it. Flexible spending accounts can cover the cost.
Okay.
It's a good time of year to look at whether you can fund it for next year. Maybe this is something you could do next year. Also, ask your doctor about payment plans and see if you can negotiate, maybe get a volume discount.
Okay.
By offering to go in with a friend, or maybe a child needs the treatment as well. So that's a good way to start a negotiation.
And tell us, what else should we keep in mind when it comes to investing in our health?
Well, you do need to give it time. Take the long view. Quick fixes don't work for things important like investing in your health and your appearance. Fad diets, get-rich-quick schemes, you end up often worse off than before. But when you invest in a system like Invisalign, the transformation can be amazing. It may take some months to get the results, but I've seen the before and after pictures, and these women, it's like night and day. Yes. The transformation truly is amazing.
Yes, they look fantastic. Consumer expert Lisa Freeman, thank you so much for joining us on Coffee with America.
You're welcome, Sasha.